Multiple people tell me they're without working air conditioning as the heat wave in central Indiana continues. I'm WRTV's Adam Shooms. I spoke to the health department about what people can do if they're faced with a similar situation.
I do not have AC right now.
It is still about 80 degrees in here.
Two Hoosiers who say they don't have working air conditioning in their apartments in the heat of summer.
I have a fan and yeah, it's not really, doing much, blowing hot air, but this is the only way to try to keep at least some type of coolness in here.
Diamond Forbes apartment complex is located on Indy's west side.
I work from home, so it's very hard to live and also try to function with work.
If it's in their lease, they would certainly have that right to have the air conditioning.
Diamond Forbes lives in the same complex where these complaints were found by the Marion County Health Department. Claims at least 2 units did not have properly working air conditioning in that complex. Court documents show their air conditioner isn't working properly, and that presents a health and safety hazard.
At one point, does the court system get involved?
So when we get the complaint called into our complaint line, our staff will contact one of our inspectors. And then the next day, after the 24 hours, they would confirm whether or not the repairs have been made, if the air conditioning's been repaired. And then if not, then at that point, they can make a referral to our legal department so that it can be sent to environmental court.
The health department says it's seeing an increase in the number of calls for apartments with similar issues. There are similar subpoenas issued for at least 2 other apartment complexes in Marion County. That is why they urge people to reach out.
Make sure you have proper documentation that you've even tried to get help for yourself. And to know that it's more going on here than just my unit, that's very scary.
In Indianapolis, Adam Shooms, WRTV.